the Acting President of the Republic of Fiji and Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Justice Kamal Kumar, the Honorable Prime Minister of the Republic of Fiji, Rear Admiral Ratu Jose Voreqe Bainimarama, the Honorable Speaker and former President, His Excellency Ratu Pelina Letikau, Honorable Cabinet Ministers and Members of Parliament, Your Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambula Binaka, good evening and namaste. This evening, it is with great pleasure and honor that we join the Indian High Commissioner to Fiji, His Excellency, Mr. Palaniswamy Katirgayan, Madam Katirgayan, and the staff of the Indian High Commission in celebrating this joyous and auspicious occasion, the 76th Independence Day of India. It is therefore fitting that we convey our warmest congratulations and well wishes to the government and people of India for this historic achievement and remarkable milestone. In saying this, it is important to note that Fiji and India enjoys a warm and special excellent relationship. A relationship developed over the years through enhanced partnership and cooperation in the areas of agriculture, climate change, health and medical care, trade, investment, and people-to-people exchanges, to list but a few. The strength of this enduring relationship was witnessed recently in the prompt provision of vaccines by the Government of India towards our present battle against the COVID-19 pandemic. Today, India remains one of Fiji's indispensable and strategic partner, contributing much to all areas of cooperation. On that note, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is now my distinct honor and most pleasant duty this evening, on behalf of His Excellency the President, the Honorable Prime Minister, the government and all Fijians, in extending to the President of India, the government and the people of India, our sincere appreciation and well wishes for a peaceful, memorable, and joyous 76th Independence Day. May I now invite you to please charge your glasses. As I propose a toast for the continued good health, happiness, and prosperity of the President, the government, and the people of India. To the Republic of India. Thank you.